Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy of Van Auto Company. It is Wednesday, March 23rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. It looked like you saw a little bit of profit taking in these markets, especially the grains, to start off the day, but they fought their way back slightly throughout the day, still closing in the negative. Corn down 1.5, beans down about 4 to 5 cents, and then wheat down, steady to down a cent or two. So you're running out of steam coming into this. You don't have any new bearish news. You don't really have any new bullish news. And so you just can't really find a direction. You know, people were taking profits. That was evident in soybeans, but it looks like the seasonal buying is going to continue in soybeans for a little bit. I mean, even though you closed a little bit lower, you still closed above the 200-day moving average. It looked like there were people to buy the selling there. It was supported off of its lows, so strength's coming through there. You do have a crop report on the 31st. That's a big one. You're going to get planting intentions, quarterly stocks, so that's going to offer a lot of information there. Until then, you're probably going to see choppy trade and then tech-driven markets. Meat markets lower today. Hogs were about mixed after a cold storage. That was pretty neutral, but you're still coming on some selling pressure. It looked like maybe you were taking a brief break from that into the feeder cattle market, but nonetheless saw that come through. It looks like you're oversold conditions, but you're still down about a buck and a half on the day, and then live cattle down anywhere from 70 to 80 cents there. You did have unfriendly outside markets that could have been a factor into the lower trade really too, with the dollar up 46 at one point. Crude market was down well over $1 after it looked like stocks actually grew once again, so you know that production's out there. And then the Dow was actually down too, so those unfriendly markets probably had a little bit of a hand in it too. Otherwise, nothing real newsworthy. You are looking at some weather forecasts that call for a big storm to come through a lot of this area, but it's more about the cold for the winter wheat area. That's really the thing that's keeping wheat supported, is that you have a chance for another freeze. You're still waiting to see if damage was done from this last one, and you should be getting that information pretty soon. Other than that, very quiet. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.